Okay, good morning students. Today we are going to do remaining sums from your exercise 2.1. Our topic is equations in one variable. So we have completed 8 sums. Now today we will do 9 sum. Your 9 sum is 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. So solution. First step is transposing 8 to RHS, because here we want to find out the value of variable y. So we are keeping it to left hand side, transposing 8 to right hand side. So 14y is equal to 13 plus 8. Therefore 14y is equal to 21. Now we want to eliminate this 14 and keep only variable. So what you are going to do here, you are going to divide by 14 on both the sides. 14y divided by 14 is equal to 21 divided by 14. In bracket write down dividing by 14 on both sides. On both the sides. So 14 ones are 14 ones are. Here you will get 3 7s are 21. 7 3s are 21 and 7 2s are 14. So here it will be y is equal to 3 upon 2. Let us convert this y into decimal form. Y is equal to 3 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 1. Take 0. We have to complete the division. So take decimal point. 2 5s are 10. So this is 0. Y is equal to 1.5. This is our solution. Now whether this solution is correct or not, that we are going to find out. So how to find out it? Let us check. Our equation is 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. So 14 in place of y we are going to put 1.5 minus 8 is equal to 13. Now 14 into 1.5 we are getting 21 minus 8. Now this is our right hand side, is equal to 21 minus 8 is 8. See here 21 minus 8. We can't do 1 minus 8, so let us borrow 1. 11 minus 8. 8, 9, 10, 11. 3. And here you will get 1 13. So this is 13. It is equal to our right hand side, is equal to right hand side. So write down here, therefore LHS is equal to RHS as required. So here we complete our 9th sum. Now we will see, this is sum number 10. Let us do next sum. Okay, next sum is 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. Solution. Transposing. Now what will you transpose here? 17. Transposing 17 to RHS. 6p is equal to, when it goes to right hand side it becomes minus 17. So 6p is equal to 9 minus 17. Now we have getting here negative value, minus 8. We want to remove this 6 and keep the variable p. So we are going to divide it by 6. 6p divided by 6 is equal to minus 8 upon 6. Write in bracket dividing by 6 on both sides. So 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6. Here you will get p is equal to, now this, what will you divide? 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. So p is equal to minus 4 upon 3. Now let us keep as it is, minus 4 upon 3. Let us find whether our value is correct or not. This is your solution. Checking. 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. Now we should get left hand answer same as right hand side. This is your right hand side, this is your LHS. So 17 plus 6p. So p's value is minus 4 upon 3. Now here see 17, I will do here rough work. 6 into minus 4 upon 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 2 into minus 4 you will get minus 8. So right here minus 8. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, and 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. Whenever there is negative sign you have to put it in bracket. So 17 minus 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You got 9. Now this 9, it is equal to your right hand side, is equal to RHS. So here left hand side is equal to right hand side as required. So what we want, that 17p plus 6p is 9. So we have found out here first value of p. Now instead of reducing it, dividing it, I have substituted directly, because I tried after dividing. If we divide minus 4 upon 3, means if you divide 4 by 3, you are getting 3 1s are 3, 1, 0, 3 3s are 9. You are getting decimal point, and this is recurring division, so we are not getting correct value. So I have directly substituted this fraction as it is and then solve the sum, or else we are not getting correct answer. So this is the sum number 10 or 11, I don't know exactly what it is. You check out from your notebooks which sum number it is. And now we will do last sum from this topic. Okay, so from this point, x upon 3 plus 1, this is your sum. X upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 upon 15. Now let us write down solution. Now here we are, fraction is given to us, so transposing 1 to right hand side, you will get x upon 3 is equal to 7 upon 15 minus 1 upon 15. So let us subtract this. So sorry, 7 upon 15 minus 1 it is, 1 we have transposed. So x upon 3 is equal to 7 upon 15 minus, there is no denominator here, so we are going to take 1, and now we are going to make this denominator same. Your LCM will be 15. So multiply this by 15 and this by 1. So x upon 3 is equal to 7 into 1 is 7, minus 1 into 15 is minus 15 upon 15. So x upon 3 is equal to 7 minus 15. Here negative, bigger number is having negative sign, so your answer will be minus 8 upon 15. Now this minus 8 upon 15, we have to find out still value of x. So we are here, 3 is there. Now instead of dividing, we are going to multiply it by 3. So what will you get here? X upon 3 multiply 3 is equal to minus 8 upon 15 into 3. Right here in bracket, multiplying by 3 on both sides. So 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. X is equal to 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15 minus 8 upon 5. So this is our solution of the equation. X value got, x is equal to 8 upon 5 minus 8 upon 5. Now let us check whether this value of x is correct. So checking, our equation is x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 upon 15. Now when we substitute value of x as minus 8 upon 5, we should get answer 7 upon 15. So this is RHS. Now let us find out. Minus 8 upon 5 divide by 3 plus 1. Now here what you are going to do, minus 8 upon 5, this is division, let us multiply it. So it will become multiply, when you take this number in denominator, in numerator, it will become 1 upon 3 plus 1 as it is you write. So it will be minus 1 into 8 is minus 8 upon 3 5s are 15 plus 1. And now let us solve the sum. Minus 8 upon 15, let us make the denominator common. 15 1s are 15 and 1 into 15. So we will get minus 8 into 15. What is your answer? So here minus 8 upon 15 plus 1 upon 15. What we are going to get? 1 upon 1. So let us make denominator same. Minus 1 into 8, you will get minus 8 upon 15 plus 1 into 15, you will get 15 upon 15. Now here denominator is same. So minus 8 plus 15 upon common denominator. Let us write common. Now minus 8 plus 15, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. You are getting 7 upon 15. Now here in the equation, what was your equation? X upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 upon 15. So when we substituted value of x, we got right hand its value as 7 upon 15, which is equal to this right hand side. So right here is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS as required. So these are the sums which you have done. Means I think it is only 1 point from your this topic. Second point is of application of this equations of one variable. We are going to study application. That is in next exercise 2.2. Now for your practice, I am giving you some sums for homework. You practice them, do in your notebook and send on my personal account. So see here, homework, solve the following equations. First sum is 17p minus 2 is equal to 49. Second, 2m plus 7 is equal to 9. Third, 9x upon 8 plus 1 is equal to 10. Fourth, 13x minus 5 is equal to 3 upon 2. So these are the extra sums I have given you. Now they are not in your textbook. I have given them from some other textbook. So you practice for homework and send on my account. So these are 4 sums. Today I have given you 3 sums, 1, 2 and 3. They are a bit different. If you find it difficult to understand, you can call me and ask me. Whatever difficulty is there, I will explain you. Thank you.